Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please guys don't forget to comment and press the bell icon so that I can bring for you beautiful videos and the notification will get you first. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see the first picture, you can see beautiful the chair, the white color theme and all, the wall and the floor, you can see skin color floor, beautiful. The chair is also with glass, and this one the mirror you can see, and the lamps, the lights, small lights and all. The window you can see, no sorry, mirror, big mirror, beautiful design. And it's also very beautiful, the wall decoration, the lights and all, and the mirror, the window, beautiful. The floor is in white color. This one also very beautiful, you can see the bed with blue color and the white color theme, very beautiful decoration design. I love this one also. And this also very beautiful, you can see the mirror, you can see the down, you can see candles and all, and the table you can study here, teach and play games and all, beautiful decoration. It's also very beautiful, you can see the game, if you know XOX, beautiful game. And the mirror you can see, window, beautiful, the books you can keep there. It's also very beautiful, you can see dark blue wall color, and up you can see star color theme, beautiful. And the floor you can see shining floor. This is also very beautiful in pink color, everything pink color, wall in white color, little bit pink color, beautiful decoration. This is also very beautiful, you can see the wall blue color, the lamp you can see blue color, and the bed you can see white color, the window mirror you can see outside place, beautiful place. It's also very beautiful, you can see the mirror, the bulbs and all, lights, the wall you can see silver color wall and all, beautiful decoration. This is also very beautiful, you can see the sunlight, the curtain you can see, the floor you can see, beautiful floor and all. This one also very beautiful, you can see the blue color pillows, the bed you can see, beautiful bed and all, good decoration and all, looking very beautiful, good design. This is also very beautiful, you can see the you can keep your dress, hand dress and all, beautiful dress, good decoration and all. This is also very beautiful, you can see the mirror and all, and the chair you can see, and the place you can see where you can keep makeup things and all. It's also very beautiful, you can see the chair, the table you can see white color, and the lamp golden color, and the decoration design is very beautiful. The photos you can see, beautiful photos and all, good photos. It's also very beautiful, the small plants you can see, and the wall you can see the sunlight is coming from outside, beautiful sunlight, very good decoration and design. It's also very beautiful. It's also very beautiful, you can see the window mirror and the ring light, beautiful. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please guys don't forget to comment me down so that I can bring for you beautiful expensive VIP videos. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care. Goodbye.